Yes, welcome to River YouTube channel. My name is AK. In this video, I will review with BrandCarKit animated designing software review. If you are watching and first time in my channel, hit the like button, smash the subscribe also, guys. Let's get started. This is the official website of BrandCarKit, guys. This is amazing graphic designing software, guys. Sell your design on Fiverr to earn $100, guys. Now this product is $65, guys, is value, but explain the each and every step in this video, guys. So watch the video completely, guys. This product also provide for the $10 for pre-launch discount, guys. So use this code and get $10 additional discount also, guys. Now this is the main part, guys. This is the video of the presentation, guys. I will give the link in the description below, guys. You will watch this presentation video also. Now we'll see, guys. This is a vendor of Mr. Graphic Design and advice of this from Bankit.com, guys. Now we'll see, guys. Give me 3 minutes to show you how to create a powerful animated image design. If you can grab Bankit and now will just start your own animated designing studio agency today. Now we'll see, guys. If you can grab Bankit now, this will start your own animated designing studio agency today, guys. So if you have to paint the animated design for your field of years, we tried for test this method out of there, but this is the easiest fastest way to create a powerful animated design. And check out this result that I got attention grabbing animation designs and made with the Bankit. Don't a second with hundreds of template after starting use this brand new software and create your own animated design in minutes with amazing result and sell your design Fiverr to earn $100 and amazing, right, guys? Because the problem is that in order to create a powerful animated image design, you have to stop wasting your money on unprofitable ads. And many entrepreneurs already spend money on ads but don't advertise on animated image ads. Now we'll see, guys. Variety of templates is also provided for you, guys. Just easily edit and replace your content and download this image and templates, whatever it is. I will tell you right from the start which you have to unfair advantage. Introducing BrandCarKit. What you will have to do in order to create powerful animated image design. Choose your template. Thus we'll see, guys, and edit and animate and export and download in format you choose. Alright. Now you'll see, guys, you will become our next animated design successful story and you will start your own animated design studio agency today and will sell animated image ads quick and easy. So just imagine we'll able to achieve all this without having to stop wasting your money on unprofitable ads and many entrepreneurs already spend money on ads. But don't advertise with animated image ads. So can you imagine that? Do you want to make it reality? Now here is the deal. I don't want you struggle to offer your file from trying to do it manually. So Bankit is offering for you guys is order to create a powerful animated image design on silver platter. So I will ask a return to send it as an email with your success story. This is the most important thing for to see your success. This is the image of template, guys. You will see, guys, and this is a demo video also, guys. I will give the link description. Will check it out, guys. You not want to have to pay $500, not even $300 for only frustration of that. So during this launch, you can get bank trick for a ridiculously low price and finally create a powerful animated image design. The longer this is on the marketplace, the higher the price is going to be. In fact, the price you are seeing right now, it's the for lowest price it will even be, and it's increasing very soon. So here is what I want you to do. Don't refresh this page, don't boomer it, and go ahead and click the buy button below to join this 100 of successful Bankit members. And now we'll see, guys, as after this launch ends, the price will be increased significantly, but heck, even at $500. So this would be a seriously good investment. You would get your money back in no time. So hurry up, guys, don't miss this, guys. I am completely confident that Bankit is exactly what you need to finally create a powerful animated image design. In fact, I am so confident that I am going to make this a complete risk-free decision for you. And I will offer for you, guys, this will work for you to no question asked and 30 days money back guarantees. So there is absolutely no risk for you guys. And harder now, guys, link in the description below, guys. You will check it out for this official website also. I will see, guys, many more templates and many more presentation also. And almost forget to tell you about the bonus, because I want anybody to want to profit from this power of Bankit of every beginner. I will give the no charge social media marketing and media simple ebook that will thought out. The book will be then referring the concept of brand quality It is an appropriate of goal to many businesses, and with it will come to sales and engagement for rich brand loyalty. You must first have the brand awareness and recognitions. This is where social media marketing comes in. The ebook almost cost for $47, but today is get absolutely free, guys. That is the main, guys. That one week from now, starting your own animated design studio agency. Banker advantages and Banker Advent 2, Banker Advent 3. And now do you want to make this reality? If so, Banker Kit Animated Designer. And what are you going to keep doing what you be doing, or you really to take this shortcut and keep getting the result you have been getting traffic? And that's it for this video, guys. I hope each and every step I will explain this video, guys. Don't miss this, guys. If you want need this tool, definitely buy this link. I will give the best buy link in the description below, guys. And additionally provide for $10 for discounts also, guys. Plus 6-day money back guarantee is provided for this product, guys. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope each and every step I will explain in this video. If you need any doubt or any clarification, ask me in my comment section. I will explain very soon, guys. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.